When multiplying fractions with mixed numbers, an extra conversion step is required to express mixed numbers as improper fractions. For example, to multiply the fraction 3/5 by 2 2/3, first convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. The mixed number is converted to an improper fraction of 8/3. Next, multiply the fraction 3/5 by the improper fraction of 8/3 to obtain the product. Now, multiply the numerators to obtain the numerator of the product. Then, multiply the denominators together to obtain the denominator of the product. The product of the given fraction is calculated to be 24/15. As the fraction is not in its simplest form, by dividing the numerator and denominator of the fraction by the GCF of 3, the answer can be reduced to 8/5, or 1 3/5.